on safari. We're wandering through the jungle of the living room. And what do we come across? The rare red mini lion. Mini lion is being very patient. Oh, there he is. He's opened his eyes. And who is coming out to check the mini lion? But Max. What do you think? Max, you better check this out. We have a very rare animal in the living room. What is that? Katie's coming to check him out too.
Come here, Katie, look.
Katie, look. Look. Who's there? The lion is very well camouflaged. Katie cannot even see him. Katie, come look. Look, where's the lion?
There he is.
Katie, seriously. Katie, really, like you really can't see him? Come on, we're going back to the lion. Going to get a close-up. Jack, work with me here. Blink a little bit. Jack, prop yourself up. There you go. Jack, don't worry, it's only 2 more weeks till Halloween's over. Oh, look. Katie's got a toy. Good girl, Katie. You can't even see Jack. Okay, Jack. One more minor adjustment of your costume. There you go. Max is coming to see you. Good girl, Katie. Good boy, Jack.